जरा आसपास की तस्वीरें आपको दिखा दे पूरे परिसर की।
Okay.
Yeah, so the guy in the black is for sure Suraj Pancholi.
Yeah.
This I think many YouTubers have proved. And the guy in the guy behind him, I have actually proved who that is. It's not Penguin.
You mean the guy in the mask?
Yeah, the guy who walks behind him, right? उसका जो
Okay.
face cut है थोड़ा baby penguin की तरह दिखता है.
Okay.
But that guy, because I have another clipping जहाँ पे वो आके खड़े हो रहे हैं.
Okay.
तो उस क्लिपिंग से उसका पीछे का बॉडी लाइक पता चलता है, the way he walks and the body. So I have identified him as Amal Malik.
Okay.
So it's on my channel. I can send you that video sometime. You can show it some other time maybe. But I have identified because I have compared his walk also, because there is another video where he's walking somewhere to the beach or somewhere in the. So there's a video where पीछे से उसका दिख रहा है. So वो पूरा body, because उसका body structure जो है ना वो baby penguin की तरह नहीं है. So I compared that to that, and also I've showed that because they are very close friends. Amal Malik and he are very close friends, family friends. So it is possible that that day morning they came there together. तो उसका और कुछ चीजें जो prove करता है कि how close they were, I've also showed that in that. So that kind of will clear, but I'm not 100% sure, but I've showed it based on the body from the back, and and his head, forehead, everything.
Sure. And one last thing, while I have you all, of course, we should end the session, and then we'll have another one tomorrow when we continue this. Is the presence of that mysterious girl, जिसके बारे में भी बात हुई थी. उसके बारे में बहुत सारे assumptions, presumptions, बहुत सारे नाम आए, चाहे शिवानी दांडेकर हो, चाहे रकुल प्रीत हो, चाहे वो रिया चक्रवर्ती ही क्यों ना कई बार तो कईयों ने कहा. So I think I would love to get your perspective as well. Let's start with you, Freeze, क्योंकि आप कुछ वैसे भी कहना चाहते थे पहले. First you say that, and then we'll go on that.
People have to just type Malik and Suraj Pancholi on Google and go to images.
Okay, let me first share this.
Can you just elaborate that point? I didn't get it. What?
Okay, let's stick to this. Let's do this since this picture is come. I'm sorry. So if you see the arrow point which I'm showing you guys, can you see the arrow, the red one? There's only one arrow.
Yeah.
Yep.
So if you notice, now go back to the original one. No? Yeah, okay, just compare it. Aaju baju mein. Can you see that bump, or there's a dip in the earlobe that goes inside?
Yeah, I can see.
So these two are a little similar.
Yeah, seems to be.
Okay. The other thing is the circle part. So this is, with all due respect, we men call it side locks or sideburns. So this girl has this hair, just little bit of hair on the right hand side. So if you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Now place this other picture and look at the eyes of the first picture. The eyes. Do you guys find it a little similar?
Yeah, eyebrow part seems to be that last end of the eyebrow.
At least, I see them similar. The eyes are definitely similar.
Now now put the other picture which I've sent now.
But Freeze bhai, the ear is not similar in both, na?
I'll tell you why. अभी ये earlobe check करो.
Yeah, this is exactly the same.
No, I think the ear is also similar. I think it's only looking like that because of the mask का वो जो
Mask का जो वो
हाँ,
हाँ
band
वो
है ना,
वहाँ पे correct.
ध्यान से देखो वो कान को नीचे कर रहा है. That's why it's looking like that. But the lobe के यहाँ जो dip है वो यहाँ भी है.
क्योंकि you have to see this, the way she's wearing this mask in the hair is not lying on the earlobe, actually पीछे जाके tie हुआ है.
Yeah.
So पीछे बालों के कहीं tie करके, that's how she's wearing it, not through the ear normal जैसे हम लोग पहनते हैं. यहाँ पर कान के ऊपर ही पहना है इसलिए कान का लोब स्ट्रेट है, बट यहाँ पर इसलिए पुल हो रहा है नीचे.
So you guys can see, right?
Yep.
So are we very close?
Yeah, there are few people obviously saying these are not same in the chat. So eyes are not.
अगर आपके पास सिमोना कंबाटा का पिक्चर होगा तो भेज सकते हो आप, वो भी सिमिलर हो सकता है.
हाँ
नहीं, ये मैंने सब वो डिप कान का है ही नहीं, मैंने सबका कर्व चेक कर चुका हूँ.
सिमोना कंबाटा का बहुत सिमिलर लगता है मुझे.
Yeah, we looked at it. Actually, I might even have photograph here.
Yeah, Amit ji, actually, मैं पूरा सिमोन कंबाटा के ऊपर पूरा convinced थी, because I had compared her walk, her style, her hand movement, everything with the ramp walk and the voice and all. But we got a lot of opposition that Simone, she's not Simone. So, but at last, the only close body shape or the thing that matches with that girl could be Rakul.
Okay, body ka bhi, I hope it's okay, Freeze, if you play that.
Now play this one which I sent you.
मैं भी वही play करने लगा था. Okay, give me 1 second.
Check it out.
Yeah. आज तो पक्का कुछ strikes पे आएंगे, but that's fine. This is an amazing kind of video.
Is that the FB one? Yeah, exactly. उसको देख के मुझे थोड़ा convincing लगा.
कहाँ चला गया? 1 second, guys.
Varun, can you shut the old ones? Yeah. Now, just hold on. Just pause it. Don't play it. Okay, everybody. The right hand, when it comes forward, it takes a right twist. The whole wrist, no, it takes a twist. Match with both. And the walk also.
Okay. I'm going to play this.
Yeah.
So this is that mysterious girl we're talking about on the left side. And on the right side, I don't know why it's not going full screen. Okay, now it is. And this is Rakul Preet on the right hand side. There we go.
What do you guys think?
See, till 2 days back, I was stuck with Simone Kambata. But after I saw this walk, clearly the way her arm moves and which direction her even this part moves, it's very, very
She
similar.
does
And
a
even the
flip. She
body,
does a weird flip when
yes,
it reaches in front.
right. And the way her body movement is also when she turns, right? And also, if you see the whole, the other video where she walks out of the gate, I compared that also. When she's coming like out the gate, the side profile looks exactly like Rakul, like the side
The
profile.
other thing, the shoulder bone. She's got two protruding shoulder bones. Same one.
Except she's wearing like a very relaxed outfit here. So that's the reason maybe her like upper part or her bottom might look like that because of her relaxed fit. Even on the her top is very relaxed and even the baggy pant and all. So that's why. But her hand movement actually gives it away the way she's walking.
I think एक वो भी हुआ था, you know, people were suspecting कि शायद ये रिया है, but रिया नहीं हो सकती. Reason being the height. You know, if you look at the girl, the suspicious girl, she's a tall girl, and Rakulpreet is also pretty tall. You know, and even the body structure are kind of.
Rakul is taller than Ria. I've got
Yeah.
picture to compare.
Yeah.
And also with Simone, she had already threatened, right? The YouTuber Anurag Bisht had put a video of her long back. So he had to remove it because they told that they're going to put a lawsuit on him, that it's not her. So that to me also feels like if somebody is ready to put a lawsuit, probably it's not her. But I was still sticking with her just because her body shape and everything was matching it. But now from yesterday, I saw that FB video too, and I'm convinced that it might be Rakul.
इन लोगों ने एक वो नाम और आता था यहाँ पर, राधिका नेलानी करके. उनके
Yes,
लिए
no, that is her. That is the other girl. The other girl is Radhika Nailani. That
Yeah.
one is for sure. Yes.
So राधिका
The girl
नेलानी जो कि कंपनी का नाम मैं भूल गया, थिंक इंक या समथिंग लाइक दैट, पीआर का एक कंपनी थी, मैनेजर जो एक्स मैनेजर या मैनेजर ऑफ सुशांत.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think she's Riya's PR.
Yeah.
This video is, I think it's very closer to the person whom we are searching for, the mysterious girl. अभी ये वीडियो देख के मुझे तो यकीन हो गया, क्योंकि बॉडी लैंग्वेज तो चेंज नहीं होता किसी का, स्ट्रक्चर चेंज हो सकता है, लेकिन हाथ शिफ्ट कर रहा है, जैसे पैर चल रहा है, तो उसमें तो इस पिछले वाला, ये साइड वाला वीडियो और बगल वाला वीडियो सेम लग रहा है एकदम. तो मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ, मेरे दिमाग में अभी यही आ रहा है कि ये पॉइंट हो भी सकता है कि ये रकुलप्रीत सिंह हो भी सकती है.
Yeah,
ठीक है,
हो भी सकती
क्योंकि
है
रकुल,
because अगर वो ड्रग्स के चक्कर में वहां पे कुछ एविडेंस
एक चीज आप एक चीज आप और नोटिस कीजिएगा, जब सीबीआई इंक्वायरी हो रही थी सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के घर के अंदर में, जब सीबीआई इंक्वायरी हो रही थी, तो ये मिस्टीरियस गर्ल भी अंदर गई थी, टीवी में आया था, लेकिन उसका फेस नहीं दिखाया गया था. और 2 बंदे भी गए थे अंदर में, गाड़ी के अंदर, पूरा मुंह से लेकर सर पूरा ढका हुआ था. तो बहुत कुछ ये सब मुझे लगता है कि ये रकुलप्रीत सिंह, क्योंकि रकुलप्रीत के पीछे एनसीबी बहुत भयंकर हाथ धो के पड़ी थी. आपको याद होगा एनसीबी ने किस तरीके से रकुलप्रीत को मतलब अरेस्ट भी किया था.
Yeah, I had seen her go to the NCB. I had not seen her go to the CBI, but it could be.
No,
and
she was not.
thought,
I mean, we are now analyzing her, but NCB तो पता है सबको, लेकिन ये जो चीज अभी यहाँ पे खुलासा हुई, this is a big expose, you know, this is a breaking news.
Yes.
This is breaking news that Varun has cracked this. The platform has cracked.
प्लेटफॉर्म पे हुआ, but at the same time, you know, I'll tell you, जैसे शालिनी you are saying, इतना बड़ा रिस्क क्यों लेगी? रिस्क तो यार, you know, to be very honest, right? If you're involved in drugs, you don't know what kind of evidence, what kind of proofs सुशांत के वहां पर होगा. तो हो सकता है उसके लिए या कुछ और इन्वॉल्वमेंट भी हो सकती है, you know, and I'm sure
वो रिस्क अपने फ्रेंड के लिए ले सकती है ना,
वो मैं
मेकअप फ्रेंड के लिए ले सकती है. रिया वोंट कम देयर.
हाँ, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट के पॉइंट पे आई वाज लाइक कि मेकअप आर्टिस्ट लास्ट मिनट पे मेकअप करने क्यों जाएंगे, वो पहले कर चुका होगा मेकअप. लाइक फॉर दिस अभी आपके बोलने के बाद मैंने नेट पे भी देखा रकुलप्रीत सिंह विद रिया करके, एंड देयर आर फोटोग्राफ्स ऑन द इंटरनेट फ्लोटिंग टुगेदर, सो दे वर गुड फ्रेंड्स, and they were I think in the same gym also, because I had seen one photograph where they're coming out from the same gym where Sushant and Rhea used to go. So
I've
they
just
were
sent
from,
that picture. I've sent another picture of them standing side by side.
yeah. So Varun can show if he can. Varun, do you have some picture like that? So we can show the
I
viewers.
want to add, are they all checking something? Because when you see one person comes out of the house, then that is Pancholi, then there is Rakul, then Ria goes to the mortuary. At every stage, is there something that they're trying to make sure, is right? Or are they trying to find out something or convey something? I don't know, is something going on?
And also, let me show you another thing that nobody had noticed, which actually yesterday I told on another session because I also noticed it now. The same video where the two girls are walking, right? If you see in the back, everybody were focusing on Sandeep being there, right? Sandeep talking to the girl. But if you see, Sandeep walks away. When he walks away, the guy next to him is Mahesh Shetty. So that also yesterday we exposed on a different channel. I just showed that because I think till now we hadn't noticed on that other guy there because we didn't have much videos on Mahesh Shetty. But now a lot of videos came on Mahesh Shetty, जो ऊपर से कैसे उसका shirt और उसका outfit था and everything. So we could see that this video, maybe if you play again and see Varun, you'll see that when Sandeep walks away, Mahesh Shetty walks with him, which means Mahesh Shetty also knew that it is Rakul, if it is Rakul. Or whoever that mystery girl is, Mahesh Shetty also knows. That's what. So I'm thinking that probably CBI has got to the right girl because Mahesh Shetty was there.
I think for CBI, nothing is difficult. Only the intention is the question. So CBI, there is must have cracked many more evidences.
Yeah, for us, we only have these social media
Yeah.
videos. They have everything. They have the technology. I'm sure they've cracked everything. It's just
Only their
something
intention is the
that-
question.
Yeah.
Whether they really want to or not.
See that when he's walking back, you'll see a guy join him. He's right
Mute the
next to
volume,
him.
no, Varun.
See that guy? So if you look at his pant, it's a little lifted up. It's exactly the same pant that Mahesh Shetty is wearing, the top black shirt. Because they were together. This is after the ambulance has left.
And they're just so relaxed.
That's
they're
because the
in no
ambulance has
hurry.
left. Yeah. Because their
No, but
demeanor
still, if
itself, you can
something
say.
happened somewhere, I would be a little, not so comfortable around that place. They're just so relaxed.
Right. बट बेसिकली एम्बुलेंस के बाद का इसीलिए बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि जब कुछ कार्य खत्म हो जाता है ना उसके बाद जैसे लोग
Yes, ma'am.
आराम से
Yeah.
चलते हैं, हाँ उस तरह ये लोग चल रहे हैं, उस तरफ वो लोग चल रहे हैं.
For them, the case is just over now because the body has gone to Cooper. Now they know everything is managed well. So for them, that is why they are relaxed. कि अभी सब manage हो गया है, जो करना था कर लिया.
And that is why when Shivani Tandekar also put that statement, she said it is not Ria, like it's not Ria or me or Simone, but it is, she said it is Radhika. So she only named that other person, but she completely didn't talk about this other person who she was. So basically they just ignored that person and just told this is Radhika. And then later on, I think Smita Parekh in one of this things, she told Meghna Chadda, right? So that to me is a little confusing. So I don't know. बिकॉज मेघना चड्डा का जो मैंने सिर्फ फेस देखा है इतना मैच नहीं करता उससे.
Okay, simply I think you wanted to talk or you say something. I just saw in the chat.
No, Varun. I just wanted to say that you can bring me. You can take me out. So,
No, that's fine. Okay, I see Dhruv join as well. Dhruv, anything you want to say? Dhruv?
Yeah, I'm sorry. There's nothing in particular that I want to say. I just had joined here to congratulate you for this beautiful session around the topic you have picked. And
Dhruv,
yeah,
I'll just stop you. For the first time, I'm stopping you. Have you seen this video of comparing both of them walking?
no, I was just seeing it, but before I would actually see it, I was like the video was pulled off.
Okay, let me play it one more time.
Hema ma'am, have a look at the chat, please, the private chat. You'd asked me something, I've put it there.
Okay.
Mute the volume.
Sure.
You're talking the one in the checks or the one on the right side, my right side, which is red color top.
Checks, blue checks, blue lines.
Compare the blue stripe to the one on the right.
Okay. I'm gonna do it one more time. This girl.
No, yeah, that girl. I got it. 1 second, wait. Can you zoom it in a bit, Varun, because I'm not able to see the foot movements. See, one thing what is quite obvious over here is the girl on the left, that is the blue checked girl, her first foot that comes out is her left foot that is in the subconscious mind. Right has indeed come out front, but if you see the subconscious angle of it, it is the left foot which is coming out. But here in the right side video, it is the left foot which is coming quite obviously.
Play it again.
Walking in a
Focus on
way
her,
clear.
focus,
See, when she
focus
comes
her
out
right
of the-
hand. Focus her right hand. When it comes forward, it flips. It takes a flip. Check it out. Notice
अरे वही तो मैं बता रहा हूँ ना यार बड़े भाई, that right foot which came out was to confuse the leg movement. फ्रीज भाई
हाथ देखना उसका, पैर छोड़.
वही तो बता रहा हूँ मेरे बाप, जब देखो normal walking tendency is when you get your left leg front, your right hand comes up, and when you get your right leg front, your left hand comes up. Here what has happened is right leg and right hand came out, which is she wanted to confuse people with the movements. That's all I wanted to say.
I don't think she wants to confuse anybody here, because I don't think she is thinking about anybody recording her here.
Then this is 100% in records. That this is Rakul
Yeah, the side profile.
Nobody
See
can
the
deny.
side. Yeah. When she walks out the gate, the side, she does look like her.
Ma'am, let me tell you one thing here. Maybe the death was not that well planned and executed the way they wanted to, they had expected it to be. But the after events, what happened? No, everything was crystal clear and planned. Now, when this was shown on the media, on the TV, do you think these people were not aware that they are on the stream and someone can watch this? Now, if someone amongst you has gotten so deep into this, just imagine from their angle now. I'm not trying to create any controversy over here. I'm just trying to make you people understand, make myself understand as well, that when someone is fighting for justice, there is equally the other side of the team which is trying to die the movement down.
Right, Dhruvji, but the point here is this has happened during COVID time. Otherwise, see, we have seen Suraj Pancholi there. We have seen the other guy with him. We have seen a blue car which actually connects with another guy, which connects with the hunk water guy. So we have seen lot of people come in and out there. So why were they doing that? Because in COVID situation, I don't think anybody thought that there would be people recording them. That's what I think. That's why people were there. Some people were going to get evidences out. Some people were going to see whether everything was set. Because all this has happened sudden. Yes, it has happened sudden, probably.
Yeah.
Also, not forgetting,
I just want to add
we are
one thing on that point.
We are just 1 minute. We are just watching one video of hers right now talking to Sandeep. There's another video of the same chick. She's gone in twice. Once with this other girl. Once she's walked in alone. Once she's walked in alone where she's speaking to the ambulance helper or guy, whoever. Do not forget that.
and
That's when
also,
she's going in.
yeah, and also Dhruv, one more thing which I would love to kind of highlight is the ambulance. Everything was gone. So thinking of, okay, she's been recorded or all that, anyways, if she's gone there, she was aware, irrespective of the time and whatever, she will still be recorded. But at the same time, this very close to Rakul, I would say. Looking at her body language, looking at her height, looking at her walk, the way her hands are flipping.
Show him the ear once again, to everybody for that matter.
And like
Freeze
Dhruvji
bhai,
said,
was this your research? 1 second, ma'am. Was this
And
your research?
ear as well as the hair locks.
Freeze bhai, was this your research?
There's nothing yours and mine, it's ours.
नहीं यार भाई सीधा
Yeah,
पूछ
yeah,
रहा
it's
हूँ यार.
100%.
yes,
Dhruv
he
bhai, it's
came up with
100% freeze का भाई का, freeze भाई का है
Friska,
पूरा.
yeah.
तो मैं
मेरा नहीं है,
आपको अभी
किसने भेजा मेरे को?
जो भी भेजा है उसको सीधा जाके एक बात बता देना कि 85% of his analysis is right. बाकी का 15% मैं आज से लगता हूँ इसके पीछे.
लगो ध्रुव भाई लगो.
Because I have
Hey,
my
let's-
own doubts around this. I will not comment anything now. I'll just go and study this for a little detail.
That's a good thing, Dhruvji, because we need, like, you see, before I thought it was Simone, and I was convinced till yesterday until this came out.
Yeah,
So
me
yeah,
as well.
anybody has
Simone, I
doubt,
think,
yeah, should try to find out, because we just want to know, more on it.
So again, a lot of questions were. शिवानी दंडेकर ने भी एक ये ट्वीट किया था या एक मैसेज दिया था कि these two girls are, one is Radhika Nilani or Nilani, and that is also one of the things which Jamila is totally out. I don't know why people are still feeling Jamila was there.
Yeah, Jamila is out.
Yeah, that's and Dhruv, I don't know why you're putting it in the private chat.
Jamila is out, but Simone, yes, we can still think of Simone, but Jamila, no.
Yeah, Disha
Jamila has been
Pitani.
debunked.
Disha Pitani is very. I mean, anybody can find Disha Pitani, so she's not Disha Pitani for sure.
See, one
She's taller
more
and leaner
reason.
also.
Yeah, one more reason I could say Rakul being there is because she is Ria's best friend. She is involved with the drugs thing with her. So that could put her there. That's the reason I also connected with Simone, because Simone also is a good friend. And Ria could not be there, like how Dhruvji said. Ria would not risk herself being there. So she could not be there. So it could not be Ria.
हेमा जी,
Yes,
बट व्हाट आई नो, जैसे ये लोग इनको रोज डेली फॉलो अप करते हैं और इवन मास्क में भी होती हैं और वहां पे कहीं पे भी होती हैं, मास्क में होती हैं, इवन रोड साइड पे कहीं जा रही होती हैं और उनको ट्रैक कर लेते हैं कि दिस इज दिस हीरोइन एंड दिस इज दैट हीरोइन एज द वीडियोस वी आर सीइंग एवरी डे. तो ये अगर रकुल प्रीत सिंह थी, लाइक विच इज नॉट an uncommon face for the media people. She may be uncommon to us before this case, but she was not an uncommon name for them. तो डोंट यू थिंक कि पुलिस मतलब ये बाहर निकलती और आधी पब्लिक इसके पीछे पड़ जाती, आधी मीडिया इसको क्वेश्चन करने लगती, जो लोग इसको वहां पे देख रहे थे, जो लोगों के कैमरे में ये कैच हुई. डोंट यू थिंक कि अगर कोई ये नोन फेस होती, somebody like Rakul Preet Singh, somebody like Disha Patani, and these faces are very known to the media. Like
Yes.
she can be Radhika, she can be Meghna Chadha, because nobody cares
that.
for them. वो
Right.
PR के लोग हैं, तो PR के लोगों का कोई ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
Right. And I know definitely the right side one is Radhika Nilani. That much I know. But the left one, like I told, I was also till now
She
comparing.
appears to be what Breeze भाई ने बोला, she appears to be that, but only मेरा question ये है कि उसको किसी भी मीडिया पर्सन ने कवर नहीं किया, उसको कहीं रोका नहीं, कहीं कुछ पूछा नहीं. तो मुझे लगता नहीं है कि इन लोगों को मतलब आंखों से भी पता चल जाता है, जो मीडिया के लोग वहां पे बॉम्बे में कवर करते हैं हर समय, उनको आंखों से भी पता चल जाता है कि कौन सी हीरोइन आई है, क्योंकि दे आर ऑल लुकिंग इनटू कि अंदर कौन गया, बाहर कौन गया, कौन निकला, कौन आया. I don't know, हो सकता है, possible
Okay.
है, लेकिन
Right.
I don't know.
Actually, you have a point. You have a point. And there is another point here that her top part looks a little different. Just her top part.
That
Um,
could be possible because वो 3 months से सब lockdown था ना, 2 months से. So maybe that could be a leg. और अब हम थोड़ी loose t-shirt पहनते हैं और हम थोड़ा एकदम.
yeah, that is also what I was also thinking in my head. But
हाँ,
still,
that could be possible because once we wear a loose t-shirt or when we are into a exercise mood, that body becomes different. And when they are
Right.
relaxed 2 months से, because March, April, May there was a lockdown, June तक.
see how she moved her hands there when she was talking to Sandeep. That made me think it was Simone actually.
Yes.
Because I've seen Simone's like ramp walk and all, where the way her hand goes was like that. So that's why I am like in between Simone, or now that Rakul thing has come, I am trying to
No. But
compare,
one
see
second.
that.
One second. Simone ka, let me just bring one photograph. Okay. Simone is not that fair, if I'm not wrong.
No, Simone is very fair.
One second. Let me just open. Oh, Simone Kambata. Got it.
Simone
Please
Kambata.
compare
Simone.
the earlobe and the eyes and the side locks again.
Yeah,
I
please,
don't know
bhai,
why
that
you
is-
guys are looking everywhere. Finish
Yeah.
one thing with this person, then
Now-
move to the other person.
Now let me tell just one third thing, that is I just feel like I know I don't completely trust Smita, but again I'm thinking why Smita Parekh said Meghna Chadda was there in the CBI office, like she told that she was the mystery girl. So that to me also,
Maybe
I don't know.
is that possible? Maybe Meghna Chadda was called to by the CBI for some other reason, and maybe Smita Parekh in the initial
Could be.
stage must have thought कि इसलिए बुलाया होगा because she's the girl. Maybe
Could be.
that is possible.
That is
Yeah,
also
she
possible.
must.
Yeah.
She must have called because I think Meghna Chadda is related to PR thing na. So
Yeah.
maybe for asking something about corn or cornerstone.
बहुत सारे लोग कह रहे हैं freeze if you need an assistant, I'm game. A lot of people are gonna jump and try to help you in that analysis. So thank you again, everyone, and thank you so much, Hemaji, as well. All right, thank you so much. Thanks.
You're welcome.
All right, Rekha ji, please go ahead.
Thanks, Varun. Thanks again for a great session. Hema ji, it was amazing to see what you found, especially that lady, making that sign to someone. I mean, absolutely went unnoticed by all of us. So thank you for sharing that. Please share more. We'd love to, know more. Freeze, thank you always. I mean, you come up with some great information. Huge fan. And please let me know if I can assist you. A big fan, so always happy to help.
And also, if anybody has any questions or if they think otherwise, right? जब हम कुछ बोल रहे हैं, somebody else thinks otherwise, then please, they should come up and talk about it, because it also helps everybody else to have more clarity. क्योंकि it's definitely possible that we could be wrong in something I'm saying, it could be totally wrong. But when somebody else questions it, then it makes me also think that, okay, maybe there is a different possibility. So everybody has to chime in so that we can
Exactly.
get clarity.
Yeah, one point, on that, Hema, you definitely brought a very good point. कई बार ऐसा होता है, sometimes you're just sitting, you're analyzing, and you go a little overboard as well. कई बार मुझे होता है कि मैं अड़ जाता हूँ कई बार कि यार नहीं, ये नहीं है, ये होगा, ये ऐसे हुआ होगा. So it's quite obvious. So we always need that fresh perspective, the fresh pair of eyes, which always helps. तो आप जरूर इसको उस तरह मत ले कि you cannot contradict someone, you can, and if it's a valid point, we definitely have to come to a conclusion together. So let's end the session.
I was the first guy who spotted out, and I found something very weird and strange. It's the video that Hemaji put, and that really caught my attention. And after some time, when I came across the 3 to 4 drops, is where I put 1+1, and we do that session very soon, Hemaji, and we have to show that part. हमको दिखाना पड़ेगा बहुत जल्दी. Question one after the other. There are these 2 companies surrounding it. Money has been flowing from one side to the other. His own involvement with the same ex-director or CEO of same ex-company. It's all well planned. And again, what Emrika was saying, comparing to the other story, and that's what I've been saying, that this is happening to many people for a very long time, for a very, very long time. And we have to bring this out to people's notice. And I will just end up by saying, which it was flashed, and even I went and checked, and the same ex-home minister who announced this as suicide is now has an FIR by the Enforcement Directorate of PMLA Act. मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग का FIR उन पे लग गया है. So भगवान करे everything goes right. Thank you very much. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Thank you so much, Jai Hind.
Justice for
Thank you.
Sushant
Jai Hind.
and Justin for Disha, both of them, and that's the starting step, and then the rest will follow.
The rest we will automatically will get justice to Jia Khan if we do that.
Yeah.
We have to.
See, basically, we know that CBI probably has everything. They're smarter than us, right? But our reason to do all these sessions or to go through all these things is to show even to CBI that people also know. So from our analysis, we are trying to show that we also know, so we are not going to keep quiet.
Absolutely.
That is exactly what we are trying to do here, because we know CBI knows everything. So it's not like we are trying to do something so that CBI sees it or CBI gets it. They probably know everything. But this is for our own sake, so that we empower ourselves that we know everything, and they know that we know.
Basically, they cannot come and tell us inconclusive proof, evidence,
Exactly.
and the botch up. They have to give a lot of answers. Everybody has to give answers.
Absolutely agree. All right, guys. Thank you so much. In that case, take care. We'll see you tomorrow, and we will fix up a time, maybe an hour earlier, and we will make.
Yeah, that would help. That would help.
Yeah,
1 hour or 2 hours earlier also would help.
Arey wah, kya baat hai. So Freeze, you better sleep on time. You better wake up on time, and then let's get this going now. I get a lot of positivity already from the people. Let's continue this, and do the right thing. So thank you again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, everyone. Take care.